Never throw your cell phone charger away again. Do this instead and save your money. That's right, everyone. After this tip, you never throw your cell phone charger away again. Because basically everyone has already been through this before. Check this out. As we use the charger, it starts to wear the cable down right here or even here. And then what starts to happen with the charger? It starts to charging your phone slower, taking much longer, and at some point it stops working completely. And what many people usually do is just throw the charger away and buy a new one. However, you don't need to do that. I'm going to give you a very simple solution to this so that you can prevent your charger cable from wearing down. So first, you're going to need to look in some store or even online and buy this thing right here. These are known as heat shrink tubes. All right? They are responsible for isolating and sealing electrical connections. It's pretty easy to find them, and they're not usually expensive. They also come in small packages with several and are very cheap. But for this trick, you only need one tube. You can keep the others. And now this is what we'll do. Let's put a tube right here on top of the piece of the cable that's damaged. So let's go ahead and cut a piece about this size. But at first, it's not going to pass through here, not even through here. Some chargers are smaller and might pass more easily. However, in order to pass it through the connector, let's take a pair of scissors and stretch it like this so that we can extend it. After doing this, now we can pass it through here and take it to where it's damaged. And then let's position it right here. Okay? So now, guys, as the name of the product says, heat shrink tubes, so we need to apply some heat to it. Let's position it carefully and then go ahead and heat it up with a lighter. As you can see, it starts to shrink. So keep doing this until it's tied around the cable. And look at this, guys. This is how it's gonna be. Pretty cool, isn't it? And here our problem is already solved. But to make it even more durable, I'm gonna go ahead and add one more piece of tube. I'll put it over here to make a double protection. Now it's way better, folks. 100% sealed and more durable. This makes it even stronger than the original. Now you can safely use your charger without worrying about damaging the cable. Let me test it now to show you guys that the charger is working properly. I'll put it here and plug it into the socket. Check the cell working perfectly. So that's it, folks. If you have a charger in this condition, don't wait for it to stop working. Try this trick right now. I'm pretty sure this is going to help you with that.